Inspire Kids Montessori is proud to present exceptional Montessori infant programs for your baby. We recognize that all babies, including yours, are limitless learners with an incredible curiosity for all the stimuli around them: sounds, colors, smells, and textures.
Miss Sampna in the infant program, she's just absolutely amazing. We love her. She did everything to ease my panic or my worry. She would call me if anything, was wrong, any little thing. They take tons of pictures and you get daily emails, and it's just so great just to kind of keep you updated on, what they're doing day to day. She loves the kids, and you can tell.
Our infant curriculum is based on brain development and focuses on providing your baby with a large variety of sensory stimuli.
When you're giving up your 3-month-old, that's something that you really want, is to know that when you drop them off that they're going to be taken care of just as if you were doing it yourself.
Our highly qualified infant teachers and their teams work hard to provide your infant with a safe environment full of love, in which he or she is inspired to explore and grow, as it is through exploration that your baby will cultivate their emerging physical, sensorial, cognitive, and social skills. To schedule a tour, please visit inspiredkidsmontessori.com or call 480-659-9402. We look forward to caring for your infant.